Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Life School. Today we are going to learn one of the most important parts of Uzbek language grammar, sentence structure, subject, object, verb. If you understand this pattern, you will be able to create hundreds of Uzbek language sentences on your own. Then let's begin. In English, we usually use subject, verb, and object. For example, I eat an apple. I, subject, eat, verb, an apple, object. English structure is subject, verb, and object. In Uzbek language, the verb usually comes at the end. For example, men olma yeyman. Men, I, olma, apple, yeyman, eat. Uzbek language structure is subject plus object plus verb. Okay, let's see examples. I read a book. Men kitap okuyman. Men, I, kitap, book, okuyman, read. Okay. She drinks tea. O çay içadi. O, she, he, çay, tea, içadi, drinks. Okay. We watch TV. Biz televizor ko'ramiz. Biz televizor ko'ramiz. Biz, we, televizor, TV or television. Ko'ramiz, watch. Okay. They learn Uzbek language. Ular o'zbek tilini o'rganadilar. Ular o'zbek tilini o'rganadilar. Ular, they, o'zbek tilini, Uzbek language. O'rganadilar, learn. Verb comes last. Okay. Negative sentence. I don't drink coffee. Men qahva ichmayman. Men qahva ichmayman. Men, I, qahva, coffee. Ichmayman, do not drink. Verb still stays at the end in negative sentence too. Okay. Questions. Do you speak Uzbek or do you speak Uzbek language? Siz o'zbekcha gapirasizmi? Siz o'zbekcha gapirasizmi? Siz, you, o'zbekcha, Uzbek, gapirasizmi, speak. The verb remains at the end. Okay? Remember this. Subject plus object plus verb. For example, men kitob o'qiyman. Men kitob o'qiyman. I read a book. U choy ichadi. U choy ichadi. She drinks tea or he drinks tea. Biz televizor ko'ramiz. Biz televizor ko'ramiz. We watch TV or we watch television. Ular o'zbek tilini o'rganadilar. Ular o'zbek tilini o'rganadilar. They learn Uzbek language. The verb usually goes at the end of the sentence. Okay, great job everyone. Now you know the basic Uzbek language sentence structure. SOV, subject, object, verb. Try writing 3 simple Uzbek language sentences in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your other Uzbek learner friend. See you in the next video.